When it comes to exporting, a Proforma invoice is typically the first document you need to create. It acts like a quote and looks like a commercial invoice. I'm going to explain the reasons why you need a Proforma invoice and show you how to quickly create one. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. When a potential international customer expresses interest in your product, they will typically send you some type of letter of inquiry, outlining the terms of their interest along with a request for a quote. That request is your cue to create a Proforma invoice. The Proforma invoice serves as a negotiating tool between you and the potential buyer. If done correctly, it will serve as the blueprint for the entire export transaction, so it should include all the relevant information. If we look at this Proforma invoice I created using Shipping Solutions export documentation software, you'll see my Proforma invoice includes the exporter and ultimate consignee's contact information, payment terms, a Proforma invoice number, the quantity and description of the goods, the country of origin of the goods, the correct 6-digit harmonized system code for your product, which the buyer will use to determine import duties and taxes, if any, the price of the goods, insurance and shipping costs, commercial terms usually expressed as one of the Incoterms, the currency used for the sale, and an expiration date. Once you've sent your prospective buyer the Proforma invoice, they will have the option to purchase, negotiate the terms, or not follow through with the sale. The beauty of using Shipping Solutions software to create the Proforma invoice is, if they decide to proceed, you can use the information you've already entered to create a commercial invoice, packing list, certificate of origin, or any of the other standard export documents you need to create for your shipment. Let us show you how you can create your Proforma invoice and other export documents up to 5 times faster than you're creating them now. Click here to watch a video demo of the software, or click the link below to schedule a free live demo. There's no obligation. And to learn more about exporting, subscribe to this channel and to our free international trade blog linked below.